Stay updated with the latest changes in the UAE public holiday calendar. In this video, we'll dive into the newly announced holiday dates, what these changes mean for you, and how to make the most of your time off. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Most countries in the Arab world will look for the crescent moon on the 29th of Hijri calendar month Dhul Qa'dah, which is on June 6th. If the moon is spotted on June 6th, Dhul Hijjah begins on June 7th. Arafah Day is on June 15th, Dhul Hijjah 9, and Eid Al Adha on June 16th, Dhul Hijjah 10. The break then will be from Saturday, June 15th to Tuesday, June 18th. With 2 days of the break falling on the Saturday-Sunday weekend, this gives residents 2 weekdays off. If the moon is not spotted on June 6th, Dhul Hijjah begins on June 8th. Arafah Day is on June 16th, Dhul Hijjah 9. Eid Al Adha then is on June 17th, Dhul Hijjah 10. The break, therefore, is from Sunday, June 16th to Wednesday, June 19th, including the weekend, Saturday, June 15th. That's 5 days off to mark the festival. Residents will get 4 or 5 days off, including the weekend, depending on when the moon is sighted.